Good morning, everybody, from an absolutely stellar day here in Massachusetts. Beautiful morning. When I first started working in the computer field, I remember my parents' friends would say to me, "Oh, you must be a programmer." And then I said, "No, I'm not a programmer." And then a couple of years later, they would ask me the same thing. "Oh, your mom and dad say you work in computers. Are you a web designer?" I said, "No, I'm not a web designer, not a programmer." And they said, "Well, you work in computers. How is that possible?" Well, I had to explain that I did what was called information technology. That was basically the task of taking care of computers, the people who use them, and making sure they can use them efficiently. So computers are a very diverse field. Working computer field means you have a lot of different titles you can work with. I like to tell my students and other people that not everybody works at a hospital as a doctor or a nurse. So when you work in computers, you can do a lot of different things. In fact, most of the jobs that are computer jobs are not with your Microsofts and your Apples and your Amazons and your Googles. They're with all these other companies, industries, businesses that use computers throughout their day. So when somebody tells you you work in computers, tell them exactly what you do. I like to say I'm an IT generalist. My task is making sure that people can use computers effectively. And if you had to ask me what my expertise is, that's really computer hardware, fixing, building, taking care of computers and networks, servers, and that kind of stuff, all the things with the blinky lights. So again, thank you for tuning in. And if you'd like to know more about what kind of careers and jobs there are in computer science, let me know. Hit me up in the comments and I'll be happy to tackle them in an upcoming video.